Today, I have a case study of a client of mine called Helen. Helen was able to lose 30 pounds in 90 days. She completely changed her body composition. She was finally able to fit those tight jeans again like she always wanted. I hope you enjoy this case study. I want you to meet Helen. Helen came to me as a referral. Her problem, like many uninformed people, was she was unable to keep off her weight. Helen started a new popular fad diet. To make things worse, she was spending around $200 a month on magic pills and detox drinks. Let me say this again. There is no magical health cure, a mystical practice, or a strange and always very expensive product that's going to make you lose weight. The first thing we did together was to determine her BMR and TDEE. BMR stands for basal metabolic rate. This is the amount of energy your body burns when you are resting. TDEE stands for total daily energy expenditure. This is the amount of energy your body burns when you add your activity level. As a weight loss coach, I focus on TDEE and not BMR. I focus on TDEE because it gives you a figure truer to your specific situation. Depending on her age, height, weight, and activity level, we determined her energy expenditure was about 2,400 calories a day. I then determined her why. The best motivator is to have a genuine reason you want to lose weight. To be successful, you need a clear goal and you need to know why you're doing it. Then we discussed in details what were her favorite types of food. Being European, she enjoyed wine, cheese, and meat. I told her that she did not have to give up the things she loved because losing weight, it's all about energy balance. We then planned her meals in advance for 30 days. To make weight loss very simple, we had her eat the same meals over and over again. We selected 3 different types of breakfast, 3 different types of lunch, and 3 different types of dinner she could enjoy every day. This made it very easy to learn the caloric content for every meal. Knowing that her energy expenditure was 2,400 calories, I had her consume only 1,900 calories a day. This was core principle number 1. Core principle number 2 was to reduce the number of calories or energy coming in. We reduced the amount of energy coming in to 1,900 calories. Core principle number 3 was to increase the amount of energy going out. I had Helen invest in 2 sets of dumbbells because being a busy mom, she had no time to go to the gym. I then created a fitness program based on my dumbbell complex training. I had Helen do 4 exercises back to back without any rest for a total of 3 sets. She worked all 4 major muscle groups: chest, back, shoulders, and legs. As she got stronger, we would add an additional exercise. Every time she lost 5 pounds, we recalculated her total daily energy expenditure. We would then present a new meal where all the caloric content was properly calculated. After 90 days, she completely transformed her body composition and was able to fit in those tight jeans again. So you see, it's not about fad diets. It's not about giving up the foods that you love. It's not about taking magic pills and fake detox drinks. It's all about energy balance and learning the core fundamental principles on how to lose weight. So if you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.